Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required in order to open the wallpapers. I'll show you in a second. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to simply find the wallpaper. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the wallpapers which are provided by the Xiaomi. As you can see, it's not, it doesn't look like in previous models and so on in previous operating systems. So here we've got the wallpapers which are provided by the Xiaomi, and you can search them only if you will have the internet connection. So for example, the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. If you'd like to check the system wallpapers which are defaultly installed, let's say on the device, you have to enter the profile here. And now let's tap on wallpapers. And as you can see right here, we've got the preview of your wallpaper. Here we've got some albums with my live wallpapers, super wallpapers, or home screen effects, and under it you've got the system wallpapers, so those which are regularly defaultly installed on the device. And if you'd like to set your photo, so if you'd like to enter the gallery and pick the photo, you can of course enter the gallery from the let's say homepage level, but you can do it also here just by tapping on this plus icon. And as you can see, you can pick particular files from which you'd like to add the photo. So that's how it works here. But let me get back to those wallpapers. Let's pick something. If you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, maybe pick this one. Simply tap on it. As you can see here, we've got three different options which are in this kind of a package. So you can just tap on apply, or you can tap on this particular wallpaper to check the preview. As you can see, it will be elongated to the full screen. You can check how it will look like. You can swipe here and check. All of the options are adorable. Let's tap on apply. And as you can see right now, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. As you can see, the wallpaper has been set. I hope so. I mean, we had the information that the wallpaper is setting right now. So let's go back to the home page, and as you can see, here we've got the wallpaper applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.